किया था नहीं?
हाँ हो गया उधर 2-3 बार खुल गया होगा। हाँ कई बार खुल गया।
हरि बोल। हरि बोल। कृष्ण कृपा क्या होता है? हरि बोल। ओके ओके लिसन। ओके। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरकिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरे। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ते प्रदे देवी सत्त्ववत्यै नमः। भक्ताभिहीनापराधलक्षै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादि तरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वं शरणं प्रपन्न भजामि अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मिताश्रं वदामि राधां करुणभराद्रा ततो ममान्नस्ति गतिर्न भाति। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Guru Padma, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satismad Bhaktivedanta Srivaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satismad Bhaktivedanta Srivaman Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam lotus feet of Nitya-lila Krishna Vishnupada Bhaktivedanta Goswami Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruvanda Goswami Maharaj, and Bhaktivedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and present here, all of my respectful guests. Continue, I also discuss about the character of Raya Ramananda. Few days we also discussed about Raya Ramananda and his teaching and his contribution, and because this is very important in our spiritual life today, again and again. So actually Raya Ramananda Sangh was the conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Raya Ramananda. This is called the heart of Krishna, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he is the supreme personality of Godhead and Bhagavan, and he performs sweet Leela in Braj. Then again, the end of Dapur Yug, in the beginning of Kali Yug, he appeared in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. And that things also quoted the one verse Sarup Damodar, Visradha Pranay Mahima Krijo Banaiva. This sloka is very clearly explained. There are three reasons why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sri Nandani Gaudhari, and especially Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. Radhikar Bhav Kanti, Loya Krishna Avatirna Hoila Navadive Gaura Chandra Dhari. So here we also couple days here we also discuss about Rai Ramananda and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's conversation between this katha also. And very nice, beautiful conversation was going on. Krishna Tattva, Jiva Tattva, Maya Tattva, Bhakti Tattva, Rasa Tattva, all tattvas actual according to the requirement of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rai Ramananda very scientifically. And he gave answer and he gave all the quotation from the Shastra. And especially we also discussed these things. Radha Prem Saddha Siromani, and Radha Prem is the crowns and jewels, and of all the Prema Tattva, Radha Prem Saddha Siromani. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also asks, साधन बिना साध्य वस्तु प्राप्ति नहीं हो, कृपा करी कौशे दे साध्य उपाय. Without sadhan, no one can attain the highest perfection goal. This is true. And so then Rai Ramananda continue also discuss Sukhir Anugitya Vina Bhajilu Napai Brajendra Nandan. Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Sukhis, and no one can also attain the highest grade. And especially 5 types of Sukhis we also discussed. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Krishna Sakhi. And even Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself tested the Manjari Bhav in Chaitanya Charitamritam also explained this way. So now coming in this way, how is Radha Prem, the topmost Prema Tattva, everything is also discussed, these things. In previous class also discussed the Sampadasa Sakha Vatsala Madhurya Prem. In Madhurya Prem, that means conjugal love, all types of love prem included in the Madhurya Prem. In the, that is called the conjugal love. Then sky, air, fire, water and earth, and the Pancha Tattva, and fire, sky was one qualification, that is called the sound. Air, 2 qualifications, that is called sound and touch. Fire, 3 qualifications, that is called Sabda, Sparsha and Roop, sound, touch and also form. Water also 4 qualification is there, that is called sounds, touch, form and
feel.
And Rasha, and that is called the Prithvi, and also 5, that is called Shabda, sound and also touch and
form.
also form
Taste.
and taste, Ras means taste, okay, and Gandha, that is called the smell. So in this way, Madhurya Rasas also and Shantadasa Sakha Vatsalya also and remain a Madhurya Ras in there, and Madhurya is one special qualification that is called Madhur Bhav, Priya Priyatam Bhav. 2 types of mood is there, one is called Sakya, another is called Arakya. And relation between wife and husband, that is called Sakya, and lover and beloved, that relationship, that is called the Parakita Bhav. And especially Radha Krishna's Leela, that is called the Parakita Bhav, and because without Parakya Bhav, our mood and Ras Leela will not perform in there. Because Gurudev also explained in this way, in Dwarkapuri, Krishna married 16,108 queens are there. So why did not Krishna perform Ras dance in Dwarka? Because there is no Parakya Bhav. And because where is the Parakya Bhav, the 4 things are very important. that is called and and what is called archetypal 4 potents, and that is called Bhamata, Sudurlabhata, and Bhamata that is called left wings mode in there. Sudurlabhata, very rare meeting there together, and Bhamata, Sudurlabhata,
This 4.
and Bhamata, Sudurlabhata, Kahumide Kahunamide Deivere Bhaton, that is called Sudurlabhata. Bhamata, that is called left wings mode, and that too. Okay. So in so Sakya, there are 4 things: Arikya and Bhamata, Sudurlabhata. Kohuna Mile, Daive Bhutan. And so now coming in this, especially in Arikya Bhav, and there is 2 things very important. And Sudurlabhata, and Sudurlabhata, and Achana Kamkata and Nivaranata. Achana Kamkata, there is a common transcendental lust which is hidden inside in there. That is called Prachanna Kamkata. And और लिखा आपने क्या लिखा?
उसने लिखा ना अभी 3 महीने
आपने क्या लिखा?
मैंने लिखा
आप लोग कुछ बामता, सुदुर्लभता, प्रचन्न कमकता और निवारणता. Nivaranata means that's forbidden, not easy to go out from their society. That's the Nivaranata means so many obstacles to go out from their house. Those who are chaste ladies, not so easy to go out from their society. लिख करके रखो, जब मैं पूछूंगा तो बताएंगे. So these things also very Rai Ramananda, he also told to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Srimati Radhika's praying, how Radhika's praying also, and so she has so much love and affection with her Sakhis, and also discuss this thing, and because Lalita di Sakhi Gamtar Pallab Putra Pata, how Lalita Vishakha, and how they have their love and affection in this way. We also discuss these things. So in this way, Radhika's, even Srimati Radhika, 3 types of bath, and Karunamrita, Lavanamrita and Taranamrita Snan, and also discuss this thing that is called Vaisandhi, and also and Bala Vaisandhi and Jovan youth also divided in 3 also, Bhakta Jovan, Purna Jovan, and Jovan, Bhakta Jovan and Purna Jovan. The 3 types of their also, and age, according to this age, and Srimati Radhika manifested in her different activities. In this way, Rai Ramananda very nicely explained about Srimati Radhika 3 types of and 3 types of bath, snan. Then there is snan, that is called snan, this type. So Tarunamrita, Lavanamrita and Karunamrita. First Karunamrita, Lavanamrita and Tarunamrita. There are 3 types of bath, snan. According to their according to her age, वयस के अनुसार उनकी शरीर की सौंदर्य माधुर्यता जो प्रकाश होती है उसकी स्नान खाते हैं. उस स्नान में सौंदर्य होकर के राधा जी के सौंदर्य माधुर्य कैसे प्रकाशित है, हाउ श्रीमती राधिका's beauty manifested. And in this way, Srimati Radhika she also to intoxicated the heart of Krishna. This thing is also and discussed. So now coming in this way, then Rai Ramananda very satisfied. Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very satisfied. Then Rai Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also asked some question. And the Vidya Mudri Kon Vidya Sar is the best and knowledge Vidya. Then Ramananda gave answer Krishna Bhakti Vidya Vina Nahi Aap. Who had Krishna Bhakti, then Krishna Bhakti Vidya. These are topmost the Vidya, Sa Vidya Tan Mati Jaya. सही से विद्यार फल जाएंगे निश्चय कृष्ण पाद पद में यदि चित्त वृत्ति राय. So in this way discussion कीर्ति मध्य कौन कीर्ति जीविर बड़ा कीर्ति what is the best and कीर्ति name fame and reputation that is called one is called topmost the devotee of Krishna. Krishna Bhakta or jar ख्याति. Then also discuss and Sampatti Madhya Kun Sampatti Gani, what is the best wealth, and then we have who had, and Radha Krishna Prema Sampatti, who has the wealth of the prema of divine Radha and Krishna. And then also discuss and the Dukkha Madhya Kun Dukkha Hai Guru Taro, what is the topmost and unhappiness that is called when you, that answer is that when we also separate from the pure devotee of Lord. And Krishna Bhakta Vidha Vina Dukkha and Dukkha Nahi Par. In this way, Rai Ramananda and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discussed many things. Then finally, actual Rai Ramananda, he asked to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Now we come to the subject matter. Actually, now to the subject matter is going on. Rai Ramananda, he told, Prabhu, I have one doubt in my heart, and please clarify my doubt, and I want to know this thing. And पहले देखना तुम्हारे सन्यास रूप, ये भी देखी तुम्हारे श्यामा गोपर रूप. First I saw your sannyas robe, and taken sannyas robe, very nice, beautiful, your sannyas robe. And now I am looking your very nice, beautiful Samo Gopuru, or very nice, beautiful blackish horn, and Krishna, Tomar Samuka Deki Kanchan Panchalika. Then I saw very nice, beautiful, golden and doll, and then that the complexion of golden doll, then your blackish complexion completely you are covered. Tar Gaur Kante Kumar Sarvang Dhaka. Prapata Dekho, then I saw also Prapata Dekho Sabangsi Vadan, Nana Hovi Chanchal Tai Kamal. Then I also see how beautiful Krishna manifested his very three-band fold, that the Tribhanga Lali, and playing the flute and Tribhanga Rup and Barahabhidana Prabhu Karnakaran Vidya Vasi Randhrana Veno Radhasha Purana Gopa. This is very nice beautiful and very restless, and eyes captivated the heart of all the living entities. And so Prabhu, and please say to me, and who are you? And I have some doubt. Prabhu, तुम्हार गाढ़ो प्रेम है. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I heard about your glories from Sarva Bhattacharya. You are Uttam Mahabhagavat. And for this regard, and you are thinking, I am Krishna. Actually, I am Mayavadi Sannyasi. And this way Mahaprabhu also told, and tried to cheat him. Then Rai Ramananda told Prabhu, don't cheat me. And Radhikar Bhav Kanti Kori Angikar Nijaras Asakya Kariya Chaudakar. Nijo Guru Karya Tomar Prema Ashradhan Anusange Premoi Koya Tribhuvan. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, Prabhu, don't cheat to me. And actually he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion, and because he wants to relish and the Srimati Radhika topmost and prema. Nijo Gurujo Karjo Tomar Prem Asha. Your and principal activities, Guru Karjo, that is called Prem Ashadan. And how to taste the highest Prem of Srimati Radhika. In the same way, Anusange Prem Mohi Koilo Tribhuvan. In this way, he also distributed the highest Prem and to everybody. That time Rupa Goswami also and manifested in his unprecedented book and Vidagdha Madhava Natakam and Anarpita Charing Chirat Karunavatir Nakalo Samarpetu Noto Jala Sanshavati Sam Hari Puratu Sundar Vidikanda Sandhijita Sada Hidaya Kandare Spuratu Vaha Sachinandan Vijanandan Gaur Hari. He distributed these highest praise and he tested and also simultaneously he also distributed this praise to everybody. This is what this is called. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Namo Mahavadannaya. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayati Krishna and Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaur Tise Namaha. Rup Sanatan they also first glorified to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when they met with in the Ramkalila. This actually was. So now, in this way, so Ramananda he told Prabhu, don't cheat me. And I know all these things, but so Lok Uddharite to avatar, and he also appeared to and deliver all the living entities. So don't teach me, don't cheat me. And तबे हंसी प्रभु तारी दिखाई स्वरूप रसराज महाभाव देखी रामानंद हईला आनंदे मूर्छित हरि देना पारे देह पड़िला भूमिते प्रभु प्रभु करे हस्ते और स्पर्श कराइल चेतन सन्यासी देखी विस्मित हईल मन आलिंगन करी प्रभु कहिला साधन तुम बिना एरू देखे अन्नजन गौरंग नहे मो राधांग स्पर्शन भूपेन्द्र ने बिना तेहो ना परसे अन्नजन. Very clearly explained in this way. Then तबे हंसी प्रभु तारे दिखाई लो स्वरूप. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and smiled, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his own Sarup. Gauranga Sabda is called Rasa Raj Mahabhav Sarup. This Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup, actually Rasaraj or Mahabhav. Krishna is called Rasaraj or Mahabhav, that's for Srimati Radhika. And Rupa Goswami very clearly explained in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu the invocation clause, the invocation slokas. Krishna is called Rasaraj. Akila Rasamrita Murti Pasimura Ruchiruddha Tarakapani Kalita Sama Lalito Radha Priyano Vidhur Jayati. Radha Priyano Vidhur Jayati. And Krishna is called the heart and soul of Srimati Radhika. And all glories to Krishna, who is called the heart and soul of Srimati Radhika. And because Krishna is called the Rasaraj, Rasaraj, all kinds of rasas, smells manifested from him also. Because Vedanta Upanishad also explains Krishna is called Rasa Rasa Visa, Rasa Jeva Labdha Mandir Bhavade. Then Upanishad also explains this Tattva Siddhanta. Krishna he is called the embodiment of life. All kinds of rasas, smells and come from Krishna. And Shantadasa Sakka Vasudan Mahadev. This is called the 5 primary rasas and 7 secondary rasas and Hasva, Bir, Hasva, Advut, Bir, Vivotsa, Karun and etc. That is called. So when we say 7 plus 5, that is called 12 rasas in there. And Krishna he is called the Rasa Samudra, the ocean of Raj. So Akila Rasamrita Sindhu Pasima Vijiruddha Tarakapani Kalito Sama Lalito Radha Priyana Guru. And in this way, Krishna is called Rasi. In the same way, Krishna, he also relishes all kinds of rasas also. Prem Rasa Nijjas Kalita Sadam Ragmarji Bhakti Ras Kalita Vicharam. Actually, this is the principle, main reason why Krishna has come in this Kali Yuga and in the form of Sachinandana Gaudhari. And Gaudhari के रूप में आने के कारण क्या है? रसिक शेखर कृष्ण परम करुण प्रेम रस निर्जास करित आस्वादन रागमार्ग भक्ति लोग करित प्रचारम रागमार्ग भक्ति लोग करित प्रचारम दिस इज फॉर द सेकंड गार्ड फर्स्ट दिस फॉर रसिक शेखर कृष्ण परम करुण प्रेम रस निर्जास प्रेम और रस निर्जास द एसेंस ऑफ प्रेम that is called prema rasa nirjas, that is called the madana from Mahabhav, which only remain in the heart of Srimati Radhika. But Gurudev also told, if you want to know about prema rasa nirjas, then you have to come in the first Guru Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Asakti, then Bhav. Then Bhav was also comes into what different stages. There is called Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Bhav, then Mahabhav, then Ruda, Mohan, Madan and Mudanakha, Mahabhav. Srimati Radhika, she is called the embodiment of Madanakha, Mahabhav. And this is our monopoly in Bhav. Yes, monopoly in this is she is the supreme controller and with his verses and so actual Krishna has come in this collision in the form of Sachinandana Gaudhari, how to relish the Srimati Radhika's this highest prayer. And so that is called the Prema Rasa Nirjas. So it's in Prema Rasa Nirjas Kaliti Ashadam. Or understand the Prema one, Koi Tribhuvan, and in occasionally, and understand it, occasionally he also distribute this prem to others. And because the Nam Prem Dharma Prachar, this is not the duty of Varnandana Samsara. This is the duty of Yuga Avatar, incarnation of Krishna. And Nam Prem Prachar, and preaching and also distribute the prem, this is not the duty of Krishna. Brajanandana Samsara. And his incarnation they did. But when Krishna has come, Brajanandana Samsara has come in the form of Sachinandana Gaudhari, then all his incarnation inside India, Sachinandana Gaudhari. And for this regard, he externally he also distribute this prem. Actually, Nam Prem Prachar the duty of Yuga Avatar. This is the duty. And to also re-establish Varnashram Dharma and killing the demons. And this is duty of Yuga Avatar. Vishnu Dare Kare Asura Samhar. And understand? Vishnu Dare Kare Asura Samhar. Krishna, he kills the demon with his incarnation of Vishnu. And Vrinandana Samsundar, Vrinandana Samsundar, his duties and how to relish the highest praise. And actually this highest praise manifested on the Ras games. And this is actually also, that means Krishna always performs the sweet and aromas pastime with the gopis in Vrindavan. Then Pati Vrindavani Apratito Navina Madan, Kam Gatri, Kam Vijay, Jahar Upashan. And so there are many evidence in our scriptures. So in Vrindavane, Aparajito, Navina Madan, Kam Gatri, Kam Vijay, Jahar Upashan. So now coming in this way, and when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his Rasaraj and Mahabhav. Mahabhav Srimati Radhika, she is called the embodiment of Mahabhav. Then Premer Saru Bhav Bhavir Sar Mahabhav Mahabhav Sarupini Radha Tattva. Even Rajananda before he also explained about Radha Tattva, Devi Krishna Bhakta Radhika Paradevata Gautamya Tantra, these slokas very clearly explain this sloka also. Devi Krishna Bhakta Radhika Paradevata in this book also, how Srimati Radhika, and she also giving pleasure to Krishna, and this verse also explains this. So, Srimati Radhika, now our conclusion is coming there, how Srimati Radhika, she is called the embodiment of Mahabharata. Now, Rasaraj and Mahabharata, and mixed and combined in the form of that form there is such an improvement. And the what kinds of form manifest, that means when Rasaraj and Mahabharata and manifest, and then Raya Ramananda, he fainted. Yeah, because here he is saying, Prabhu Hati Prabhu Tahari Dekhailo Sarup, Rasaraj Mahabharata, Ei Dui Rup. Dekhi Ramananda Hoila Anandi Murchit. And when Raya Ramananda saw so much ecstatic mood has come, then he fainted. And he could not tolerate his body. Dharite Napare Deho Porila Bhumite. And Raya Ramananda body completely was trembling. And finally he fainted. And Prabhu Tare Hasta Kori Porsi Korailo Cheton Sannasi Dekhi Tare Huila Vistana. Then after 3 minutes, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and hold him. And then he got his Chetan. And then again Raya Ramananda he saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Sannasi form. Then he became very surprised. Here also it will Alingan Kriputari Koila Sadam. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was told, Toma Bina Ei Roop Dekhe Anna Jan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, might is a Rasaraj Mahabharata Swarup, and no one can see this. Gauranga nahi more Radhanga Sparshan. And actually, my face complexion is called Srimati Radhika's complexion. Because Krishna, he does not, Srimati Radhika does not touch any incarnation of Krishna. So he has been saying, Gopendra Nandan Bina Iho Naporsi Annajan. Gauranga nahi more Radhanga Sparshan. Srimati Radhika's one nistha. She does not touch and except Krishna. And in same Krishna manifests in the form of any incarnation and form. Also Srimati Radhika, she would not touch his body. So we are saying the Gauranga nahi more Radhanga Sparsha. Gopendra Nandan Bina Teho Naporsi Annajan. Tehamani Srimati Radhika. That means Srimati Radhika does not touch any incarnation of Krishna. कृष्ण की कोई अवतार भी कृष्ण के अवतार भी आ जाए तथापि जो है श्रीमती राधिका उनसे स्पर्श नहीं करेंगे इसलिए चैतन्य महाप्रभु proved that I am Krishna Vainandana Samsundar. I am not Ram, I am not missing over missing other thing. I am Vainandana Samsundar. And what this regard, Srimati Radhika, she covered my body with her fresh complexion. And so even Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told this thing very clearly. Explained Alingan Kari Prabhu Koilo Ashrasan and Asasan specified. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu specified to Raya Ramananda and told, Toma Bina Ei Roop Dekhe Na Dekhe Anna Jan. And except you, no one can see my this Rasaraj Mahabharata. Tells you this. So here Mahaprabhu is saying, Gauranga nahi more Radhanga Sparshan. Govindra Nandana Bina Yona Sparshan. Now again our question is coming. You why Raya Ramananda fainted and surprised? Question is coming. Because Raya Ramananda is also Uttam Mahabharata. First we see Raya Ramananda also Uttam Mahabharata. Who is Uttam Mahabharata? that the symptoms আবার জঙ্গম দেখি না দেখি তার মূর্তি যাহা যাহা নেত্র পড়ে ইষ্ট দেবে স্ফূর্তি বন দেখি ভ্রম হয় এই বৃন্দাবন যাহা নদী দেখে মানে কালিন্দী महाप्रेमे भासिलाय कांदे which Uttam Bhagavat actually he does not look any gross things स्थूल वस्तु के दर्शन नहीं करते उत्तम भागवत and he looks everywhere the activities of his Ishtadev and अपने इष्टदेव की समस्त क्रिया में दिखाई देता है and even he looks in small mountain he is thinking this is Giriraj Govardhan. And even he looks small and what is called river, he is thinking this is and Jaguna. And river को देखते जमुना को उद्दीपन हो जाता है, stimulation comes in his heart. And even Sthavar Jangam, even he looks that small what is called forest, he is thinking this is Vrindavan. Whatever you look, and then stimulation, uddīpan comes about his Vrindavan. And so now he is coming Rayarvan, though he knows also because he told. First I saw pure sannyas roop, then I saw Srimati Radhika Kanchan Puttalika, then I saw and Krishna and very nice, beautiful, black is sevenfold, and two eyes are very restless, chanchal, and also holding the fruit and captivated the heart of all the living entities. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested Rasaraj Mahabharata Sarup, so why Rai Ramananda felt it and Anandi Murchit Hoga, Rai so much Ishtasigud and family. Another thing also Rai Ramananda Visakha Saki and Visakha Saki, and she knows everything in Krishna Lila. And Visakha and Srimati Radhika both are very and intimacy. Then Visakha and Srimati Radhika, so much intimacy, love and affection in their life. Because Srimati Radhika's mood and Visakha's mood also same. Lalita's mood that is called Prakhara, and that means she is called talkative. Lalita she is very talkative, and she also little bit what is called control. Understand? Sasan Kata, governor, she also controls the area, and she also sometimes gives some chastisement to Srimati Radhika. How does Srimati Radhika give her man? Lalita Ashtakam very nicely, Srila Goswami Pad, Lalita Dhishti Parindatana, Punusushti Bhamma, Dikshana Bhava, Palamkini. In this verse, very clearly explained Lalita Devi, she gives some instruction to Srimati Radhika and how to rendezvous to meet with her beloved Krishna. So in this way, Lalita Devi she gives many training and instruction to Srimati Radhika. But Visakha, she is very close, so much intimacy and love and affection. So Rai Ramananda, according to the Gaur Devika, Rai Ramananda, that is called Visakha Devi. And Visakha Devi, she knows the heart of Srimati Radhika also. In Chaitanya Charitamrita also, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed in Viraha, that time sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu expressed his heart to Sarvdam Rai Nanda. Apona Hidoi Ughariya Kahe and Rai. Here very Bengali words explain Krishnadas Kaviraj. Sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu opened his heart in front of Rai Ramananda, Visakha Devi. As like Srimati Radhika, sometimes she told her heart to Visakha Devi. Here also same thing. So now why Rai Ramananda he fainted? The question is come. Here though he had explained this here, देखी Rai Ramananda बोला आनंद मूर्छित. When Rai Ramananda he saw the Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup, eh? Then Radhaman, so much ecstatic mood coming, so much joyfulness, happiness coming, and then he fainted. So what things Radhaman was, he did not see. Now he is looking new things, and so much ecstatic mood coming and fainted. Eh? Because in our Shastra explain Vismayata. Vismayata means astonishment. Vismayata, surprise. Something, okay, I will not show to you. After a few minutes I can show. That is for your surprise. That is which is your unexpectable. Unexpectable. And then suddenly I show to you, then you become very surprised. Or you did not see something never, now if you newly think that things, then you will be surprised. So now question is you, what is Radhamanda? That means in the form of Visakha Sati, she did not see, and now she is looking new. This question is coming. कौन सा एक नया चीज है जो विशाखा सखी में उस कुंज में उसको दर्शन करने की सौभाग्य को प्राप्ति नहीं हुई, अभी रायरानंद के रूप में और यहीं पर आकर उनको देखने के सौभाग्य को प्राप्त हुआ। समझ में आ रही? वो है क्या चीज? व्हाट इज दैट द थिंग, न्यू थिंग? ये रायरानंद ही सॉ एंड fainted. This question also coming. So now just I also giving the answer from our previous great Rasik Acharya, Guru Govinda Krishna Maharaj, very nicely and elaborately explained this thing. But I briefly explain to you. Many times I also have told these things, but now I briefly explain these things. And if you have so much eagerness and utkantha, then maybe you can read Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj this article, and how Radhamanda why Radhamanda fainted, then he explains this. Just I also briefly explain. Krishna, he is called Chief, Braji Prasiddham Navaniva Chodam, Gopam Ganancha Gopi Chodam, Aneka Janmarjita Papa Chodam, Chodam Odam Kurisanam. Krishna's nature, that is called still. This is the nature. So this told, is told Srimati Radhika's two things, Bhav and Kanti, mood and heart complexion. But when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup, that time Radhananda, he noticed one thing, how Krishna entered in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Because this Mahabhav remains in the inner court, the heart of Srimati Radhika. Radhika की राधा जी की अंतर हृदय में वो रहता है. Because those are very valuable things. That things what you will keep very confidential place. And that key you will not give to anyone else. Even you will not give that key, maybe not your wife also. Which are very confidential. Maybe that things whatever you hide, maybe you will not give that the key in the hand of your wife. Because this is your own sampatti, own property. It is very confidential. So in the same way, Srimati Radhika's that very confidential thing, that is called this Mahabhav. What is that Mahabhav? Madanakha Mahabhav. And this Madanakha Mahabhav only in the inner court of Srimati Radhika. Yes. But Krishna is called the best thief. And now Krishna is thinking, I have to steal. Because Krishna is called the best thief, Chora. Why? Because another Tattva Siddhanta Krishna is Bhagavan also. He is Bhagavan. You cannot hide anything from Krishna. Who is Bhagavan? He is inside, outside, everywhere. There is no Bhagavan. Tattva Siddhanta, according to Tattva philosophy, you can't hide anything also. This is true. This is true also. Or inside, outside, very. But Krishna, his nature also to steal. चोरी करा उनके एक स्वभाव है और चोरी करके खाने में उसका एक आनंद भी होता है कृष्ण ही गेट प्लेजर स्टीलिंग someone. Then his nature is. So Krishna is thinking, I have to steal this ice cream. That's called Madanakha Mahabhav, which remains in the inner heart of Srimati Radhika. Now Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj is thinking, saying this way. How Krishna enter in the inner court, the heart of Srimati Radhika. These things in his Visakha Swarup in Vrindavan, she did not see. But in Rairamanda form, now he is watching. Here Krishna, how he is entering in the inner court of the heart of Srimati Radhika. And after taking that the valuable things, and I'm coming out. Let's give an example, Blackbeard and Brahma. Blackbeard has to enter in the lotus. Sometimes lotus is not completely blossom. That is called half blossom or the Paspudik Kamal. Not complete blossom. Sometimes also you may see this example, sometimes the lotus half blossom or maybe 1/4 blossom, 3/4 not blossom. But 1/4 the blossom, then how the black bee enter in that place and it is going inside the lotus Karnika. Karnika means the center. And the center there are so many yellow it's called pollen. And pollen is it's called yellow powder in there. Understand? There is a pollen in there. And how the black bee and also enter inside and the pollen and also collect the honey. Because when lotus half blossom or maybe 1/4 blossom, that time the very sweet and dense garam and honey inside in there. So the black bees enter in the lotus and going in the center, that's Karnika. Then taking that the honey or the follow. And because honey is under the pollen and taking and this way. And when he is coming out, then they make you see that the black bee's body is completely covered with the or the pollen. and that's how they and yellow and dust. It also the yellow dust in there. In the same way, how Krishna entered inside the inner court of Srimati, inner court, the heart of Srimati Radhika, and also taking this bhav and coming out. When coming out, then Srimati Radhika's complexion completely covered and is blackish complexion. These things, I remember these things, and in the form of Vishakha, she did not see. Now see, this is the new thing. Gaurabanda Goswami explained how black, just as you given black, we enter inside the lotus and taking and collect the honey, and when it coming out, then you can see that the black bee completely covered with yellow powder. Yellow powder here is called Srimati Radhika's complexion. Now his blackish complexion is completely covered with Srimati Radhika's complexion. This thing. And these things also I remember in his form of Vishakha. How Krishna entered in the inner court of Srimati Radhika and testing these things and hitting Srimati Radhika's bhav and kanti. The rays of the sun, the rays of the moon, how to inside the lotus and to open one by one petals of the lotus. And then finally the rays of the sun, rays of the moon and touch the center of the lotus. Then all the petals of the lotus completely disappear. In the same way, here giving the example, Srimati Radhika, she is as like lotus. And here Krishna is as like the moon. The rays of the moon now entered in the heart of Srimati Radhika. That means how Krishna entered in the heart of Srimati Radhika, and also how tested these things. And now Rasaraj and Mahabhav. Already I told Krishna he is called Rasaraj and Srimati Radhika she is called Mahabhav. So now Rasaraj and Mahabhav and now mixed together in the manifested the sweet form. And but that is called the Apurva. Same Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifest. But Rayaramanda is so, that is called Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that is called the combined form of Radha and Krishna, that is called Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. So these things also new for Rayaramanda. So for this regard, when Rayaramanda saw these things, then he became very surprised and so much astonishment coming and so much surprise is coming. And Rayamananda cannot tolerate his body, and his body started to trembling and he fainted. And so Gaurabanda Maharaj he explained this, why Rayamananda fainted. What is the reason? Actually this is the two reasons as given in this example. Gaurabanda Maharaj good Premanande. Jai Sri Ram. Okay, I won't take too much of time. My heartily blessing out to you. Hari Bol. And your all Hare Krishna. Krishna Kripa ki jai. Hari Bol. Hari Jai. Oh, Hari Hari Bol. Dhanwad. अरे भाई सब ठीक है. जय जय धन्यवाद. हरि बोल. माधवी प्रिया की जय. हरि बोल, हरे कृष्णा। देखे जेम्स, hey Radhika, how are you? Yesterday was your happy birthday. Yeah, I know. Ramananda, you wrote me. Okay, my heart is blessing all you. How's my disciple? They're okay or not? Rivo, Jai Narayana. Okay, Sudevi Dashi. Okay, Dandavad Pranam. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Oh, Shasikala. My heart is blessing to you all. Hi, Jai Malati Devi Di Ki Jai. Okay, Hare Krishna. Jai 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 Sri Radhe.